It's Sirski. Welcome back to another video. Let me see CYX Nation. Back on the trap. We haven't trap, not no camera, but with the Johnny today. So we just have to replace this little upper radiator hose because I don't know. It was tripping last night, but it was just like tweaking and the lights and stuff. But it said it wasn't reading the key and stuff. So I don't know what's up with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this clamp off and probably remove this airbox out the way, get it out the way. And yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all when that's done and over with. I ain't even gonna lie, I forgot I was recording a video, bro. So I basically did everything. But I removed this airbox and I was frustrated with this. So that's kind of how I forgot about the video. So yeah, I removed the airbox. Took the clamp off. It started leaking a bunch of coolant on the floor. I'll have to wash that off later. Sorry for the windy. But here's the old one. You can tell it looks so ugly and stuff. Just not it. Yeah. But now I'm gonna top it off with some 50-50 mix. And yeah. And maybe clean on this side. I'm guessing that's coolant. And the reservoir has like no coolant. So that must have been leaking for a cool minute. But yeah. Probably catch y'all when I turn it on. So yeah. Alright y'all, I'm taking it for a drive now. I tapped off the coolant. It ended up being wet over there on that side. So I don't know if the heater was the heater core or something. I don't know if that broke. Or what. But I'm gonna let the coolant burp itself. Cause if I didn't do it right. Just in case I didn't do it right. And then we're gonna see what's up with this, or if it just leaked because it rained last night and it was like acting up in the rain. So I don't really know, but we're gonna see what's up. My bad, y'all. This video is like all over the place, but turns out when it was raining outside, like it is now, like super heavy, it was raining, and the common problem with these Infiniti, the G's, the sunroof likes to leak. So let me see. I pulled the bottom of the dash off. I have to expose these. Turns out at the bottom of this, there's like this gasket thing that holds it in, but it's like leaking. So, and that's the BCM right there, the body control module right here. Let me see. So I just had this fan going all night. Gonna dry up some of this water. Maybe when I was driving home from school, the engine basically started like misfiring. Yeah, the engine started like misfiring, and you know, that's a no bueno. Like, I don't know if that's because of the body control module or not, but that's another problem for, I guess, a different time. But basically, it doesn't run properly right now. Maybe my door won't even close. I don't know. Let me see. There you go. But yes, I don't know if that has to do with the BCM acting up, or it's like waterlogged or whatever, seized or something. I'm not too sure. But I think, I don't know. It's gonna get fixed, but I don't know. Maybe I need to replace the spark plugs. Can somebody let me know down in the comments? I don't know when I'll release this, whether it's fixed or not, but kind of need my car, so I don't know. But that's just a slight update. But when more stuff is fixed, I'm gonna get back to y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in a little bit. I don't know what a little bit is, but a little bit. Think I cooked her, but let me show y'all, bro. It's been a minute, ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna post it. It's probably gonna be part 1 of the problem vehicle for me. Y'all gonna see right now. It's over with. It's done for. I locked it, but holy Jesus. Bro, I got 1 BCM, 2 BCM, 1 ECU, 2 ECU. The other one's plugged in. Bro. So this is, I mean, a little bit more difficult than I thought. Then it was not even than I thought, than was initially supposed to happen. So I'm only following directions of the directions I'm getting from somebody, but holy Jesus. I can't even park the other car in here because my car, bro, it doesn't move, bro. It don't move. And there's not enough space for the other car. It's like it's dead in the middle too. Holy Jesus, bro. Hold on. And I got more tubing for this to replace this. Going all the way down. I might as well just do that side too, right? But we're gonna go get it towed, probably to the dealership or something. I don't know, bro. It's over with. It's over with from my end. I mean, I can't do no more. Because, again, only following what I was sold and stuff like that. But, oh my gosh, bro. It's not no limit, though. It's not no limit. I promise it's not no limit. It's just, I don't know. This was real unexpected and random. Come on, man. You see the Bose speakers in the back? Come on, you know it's John on the limit. But, bro, bit off more than I could chew, I guess. But nah, I'm gonna pick this up. I don't know, because it's been like probably a week or 2 ever since I picked it up. But I'm gonna have to release this because this is like live action, and this is probably gonna come out Saturday because tomorrow I got school. It's Thursday. But yeah, happy Thanksgiving to y'all for me. Early Thanksgiving. Whenever y'all see this video of my lemon, my marshmallow lemon. But for me, something else already on the way. But something else when it's gone. Something else coming. Promise that. I want a G8, a Pontiac. But I mean, stuff like that. So I'm gonna catch y'all whenever. Probably we get this to the dealership, to be honest, because it's just so over with, and I'm over it. Huh? Look at this. Bro, this has nothing to do with the vlog, but I always wanted to drive one of these, bro. Now, I don't know. I'm at home. That's what the store's called. Yeah, niggas gonna mob around. Ooh, nah, people over there. Oh, y'all know I got bars. Stop playing. Look at it, and on the other side, y'all can't mess with me, bro. But car's still not fixed, so yeah, it's still an issue. But it's okay though. It'll be fixed soon. So before I crash, I'll see y'all later. Yeah. Actually, enjoy me cutting up for a little bit. Enjoy me cutting up. Come on. Ooh, and opposite handed. Come on. Where else? I'm not gonna go this way. Ooh, my bad, LT. I'm in need, I swear, y'all. I got a hernia or something. Yeah,
I'm a fashion killer.
Bars. But yeah, see y'all later.